Hello Songbird, today I am giving you 3 incredible tips on how to sing with vibrato. And you know what? When it comes to singing with vibrato, it's all very well and good to know how to sing with vibrato, but what about when to sing with vibrato? There is a good time and there's also a bad time when it comes to vibrato. And I'm going to reveal a bit more about that at the end. Let's get into tip number 1. Arpeggio breathing technique. Arpeggio, what? So basically, this is a breathing technique that comes from the Italian bel canto style of singing. And it is fantastic for developing incredible vibrato because what it does is it opens up your breath and really helps you to use correct breathing technique, which is one of the catalysts of excellent vibrato. So here's how you do it, okay? You're going to put your hands on your rib cage, and when you're taking your breath in, the inhale, right, it is all about expansion in the rib cage. And so what we're going to do is we're going to expand the ribs for 4 counts. So we're going to go in, 2, 3, 4, and as you do that, your rib cage is literally expanding slowly for 4 counts, okay? And then what we're going to do is we're going to stay open there. So we're not going to, after we've taken such a luscious breath in to then just go whoosh and let it all come out all at once, right? We're actually going to try and stay open. We're going to stay open and buoyant for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to sing a note on 8 counts. And when you're singing those notes for 8 counts, you're really trying to let the breath just slowly, in 8 counts, be released evenly. Okay? All right, so it's in for 4, stay open for 4, and then sing for 8. The note that we're going to sing is just a very comfortable note, just here on a ooh, ooh, okay? And you're going to find that in time as you practice this, that vibrato is going to naturally come through. All right, let's do it together. I will count you in. Okay, here we go. And we're going to breathe in for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stay open. 2, 3, 4. Now sing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. Fantastic. Now we're going to do in for 5 and then out for 10. Okay, here we go. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stay open. 2, 3, 4, 5. And sing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Amazing. Let's do 6 and 12. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stay open. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now sing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Fantastic. Now just check in. Are you still expanding in the rib cage? You've got to make sure you're doing that and not going like that with your chest and shoulders, okay? Amazing stuff. All right, tip number 2. Open your throat. I'm going to give you 3 incredible quick ways to open your throat. Number 1, sing with a smile. So you sort of go, yay. Okay, that lifts the soft palate up, just creates some beautiful space, enabling your vocal folds to vibrate freely, which is so needed if you want to be able to sing with a natural vibrato. The second way that you will open your throat is with a yawn stretch. This is where you go, no, actually you don't. I don't want you to yawn while you're singing, okay? But what I do want you to do is to do that thing like you're about to yawn. So you're going to go, yay, yay, okay? Yeah? So you're just pretending to yawn, but you don't yawn, and then you sing instead. And again, that just, not only does that lift the soft palate, that also lowers the larynx, and so you get this enlargement of your vocal tract and just beautiful openness in the throat. The third way to open your throat is the doggy pant. And here's where you go. You should feel a sense of, I know it's kind of funny, but you should feel a sense of just like wideness in the back of your throat there, okay? That is going to really help you to stay open. So you just go, yay, yay, okay? Oh my gosh, there was so much volume that just came out of that without even me trying, because that really opened my throat. So there you go, 3 ways to open your throat. Try them all and see which one works best for you, and make sure you employ that every time you sing. Now, Songbirds, if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Click on the subscribe button and the notification bell. I would love for you to never miss out on all of my new videos, and also would love other songbirds to find this video just like you and learn to sing as well. Tip number 3, practice pitch bending. Okay, so this is a really good tool to help to just sort of get those vocal folds kind of, I guess, flexible in order to start the vibrato process, okay? And this is a scale that's going to really help facilitate that. Ooh, Now, when you get super good at that exercise, what you want to do is speed it up, right? So speed it up a little bit, and then a little bit more, and then a little bit more, until it really feels like that speed of, a vibrato oscillation, okay? But, start slow, really get good at it, let your vocal folds sort of develop that flexibility, and then slowly speed it up. All right, so when should we use vibrato and when should we not? Well, you know what? It really depends on the style of music. When it comes to pop and R&B, for example, you don't want to have it everywhere. It's just going to sound really funny, right? You want to use it like sprinkles on a cake or sprinkles on ice cream, okay? Just a little bit to make it tasteful and beautiful, but not too much. Otherwise, it's like, oh my gosh, why have I got like a gazillion sprinkles all over my ice cream? I can't even taste the ice cream. You know what I mean? So for example, hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times. So just a bit at the end there. That was my little sprinkling, right? Now, but if I'm singing musical theatre, then it's a lot more liberal, all right? I mean, it's not, again, you don't want it absolutely everywhere, but it is so much more liberally used in musical theatre. So for example, something has changed within me. Something is not the same. I'm through with playing by the rules of someone else's game. You know what I'm saying? Like, I used it a lot more liberally there, not just at the end of phrases or words, but yeah, I kind of used it quite liberally, right? And that's more characteristic of musical theatre. And then if you're singing classical, then it is everywhere. Okay, like, oh mio bambino caro, mi piace. I'm not a classical singer. I have done classical training, so but that was kind of fun. Anyway, so like if it's classical, then it's pretty much everywhere, So it really depends on the style that you are singing, and then you apply it, appropriately. Now, Songbird, if you would like more tips on how to sing with vibrato, why don't you go here and check out this video right now. And if you want to take your vocal technique to a whole nother level, why don't you start my 7-day free trial of the Songbird Tree Vocal Academy, where you get access to all of my courses and programs online for free for 7 days. I am always believing in you, and I can't wait to see you inside the Songbird Tree Vocal Academy.